Hey there, guys. Today I want to dive into something serious but super important for men over 40. We're talking about the hidden dangers of low testosterone, or as it's commonly known, low T. Now, testosterone levels naturally decline as we age. By the time we hit our 60s, about 20% of us deal with low T. Hit 70, that number jumps to 30%. And by 80, half of us are in the low T club. But why should you care? Well, testosterone isn't just about building muscles or deepening your voice during puberty. It's a crucial hormone that affects your sex life, energy levels, mood, and even your overall health. So why does testosterone drop? Aging is the main culprit, but injuries to the testicles, chemotherapy, radiation, and certain medications can also cause those levels to plummet. And let me tell you, low T can wreak havoc on your sex life. Trouble getting and keeping an erection, decreased libido, and less frequent, less satisfying sex can strain your relationships. But it doesn't stop there. Low testosterone can lead to weight gain, increased body fat, reduced muscle mass, and a significant dip in energy. You might feel depressed or struggle to concentrate. And here's the kicker: low T can weaken your bones, leading to osteoporosis and making you more prone to fractures. Worried yet? You should be, because one study even linked low testosterone to a higher risk of death from heart disease and other causes. If you're experiencing symptoms like reduced sex drive or erection problems, it's time to see a doctor. A blood test can determine if you have low T, and you might need more than one test since testosterone levels fluctuate throughout the day. So what happens if you do have low T? Testosterone replacement therapy could be an option. Gels, shots, patches, and even pellets can help bring those levels back up. But remember, this isn't a one-size-fits-all solution. Men with prostate cancer, for instance, should steer clear, as testosterone can fuel cancer growth. And a quick word of caution. With the rise in testosterone therapy ads, it's essential to get tested and treated only if you really need it. Between 2001 and 2011, the number of men over 40 using testosterone therapy tripled. Don't jump on the bandwagon without a proper diagnosis. Alright guys, that's it for today's deep dive into the hidden dangers of low testosterone. Take care of your health, and if you suspect low T, consult a healthcare professional. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more important health tips. See you next time.